What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and now we have the official looks for the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and it's a full 360-degree high quality videos from all the Galaxy Z3 models and also the Galaxy Watch Classic official looks with a new surprise. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon. So now moving on forward, we have first of all, let's get right into the Galaxy S21 FE, and in all the colors we've got the purple, white, greenish and a black color. And once again, it's the combination from some of the elements from the Galaxy A series lineup and the Galaxy S series flagship lineup, which creates a beautiful phone. And around we can look a singular design which has been made out of the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy A32, which is their budget phone. Now on the 360 degrees and the back of this phone, it is said to come with a plastic matte finish, whereas the sides of this phone is come to be with the aluminium frame. Now looking at the front, we have a punch hole camera with towards the middle as usual for the flat 120Hz AMOLED panel, and it goes everything we are announcing about the Samsung which are coming in upcoming months. Now moving our focus towards the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we have some more news about them too. Now let's talk about that the Samsung song which is going to be coming with the trailer of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has also been leaked, and it's called The Greatest Show, which is from the movie The Greatest Showman, which come in 2017. Now talking about the Galaxy Z trailers, we have the first looks of the Galaxy Watch alongside for the Galaxy Watch Classic, and it features a Samsung Galaxy 4 with a rotating bezel, which was from the Samsung original Galaxy Watch physical rotating bezel, and it really looks absolutely beast in that with the return of the rotating bezel. The watch will be available in 3 sizes with a 42mm, 44 and a 46mm will be released in 3 colors: black, white and silver. Now if you still got a rotating bezel, which is a big deal for most of the people, and another that it is yet a Samsung official product which leaked in a full glory, and with that the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Watch Active. So depending upon the variant and the size you go, the pricing will range from $400 to up to $580. So we can see that the best look it doesn't get better than the 360-degree official for videos for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 in all colors. Also it has been leaked, and it's a beast, which I have also mentioned about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 in the card above. You can find that. So if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.